Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the Settings icon next to the Questions button at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, go to the General Settings section and not it. The Here, go to the Language button, the last option, and here you can select different language, the device's language, the default, English, Spanish, Deutsch, and more. And if you want select for the default, just click to the white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.